Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for more updates. Today's my topic is beautiful supplication. Supplications are very important in our life. It's a gift of Allah for Muslims. As we can see that everyone is having the same routine of life. Non-believers are also eating, walking, doing work, sleeping, same thing. But the difference of a believer and non-believer is that Allah has bestowed us different supplications, and whenever we are reciting these supplications, we will get reward from Allah the Almighty. This is a blessing. We are collecting rewards in our basket. So try to teach these du'as to the children. It's very important. There are different du'as for different purposes, but today I will recite this du'a. This is for increase in earning. Nowadays, as I feel that everyone is suffering from the problem of earning, and we as a Muslim have firm belief that Allah has fixed amount of this money for everyone, and with praying, inshallah, Allah will bless us. So this dua is very beautiful, and it is increase in earning due to these circumstances. Because of this COVID-19, many have different sort of problems, and day by day the rates of everything is increasing, and it's very difficult to live hand to mouth. So I want to recite this dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ja'al osa'a rizqika alayya inda kibara sinni in kita'i umri. O Allah, expand for me your provision till my old age and till the end of my life. This dua is for increase in earning. Inshallah, Allah will increase our earning, Allah will bless us, and as a sadaqah jariyah, I want to tell this dua to everyone. I want to remind you that with duas, even as you see that Allah said that even the smallest thing which you need should ask from Allah. Recite this dua every day. Inshallah, Allah will accept this dua. If Allah will not accept today, inshallah, with the passage of time, Allah will accept. And if He will not accept, even on the day of judgment, you will get your reward from Allah the Almighty. As on the day of judgment, there will be a great reward, and person will be surprised that how much reward, for what purpose. So Allah will tell that this is because of that dua which I didn't accept in your life. So man would wish that may Allah could not fulfill all our prayers. So reciting this dua will bring you a great reward in this world and the hereafter. In the end, I would like to recite this dua again. Allahumma ja'al osa'a rizqika aliyya inda kibari sinni in kita'i umri. O Allah, expand for me your provision till my old age and till the end of my life. Thank you.